Hello everyone. I want to introduce in this video my next project that it's a electric vehicle printed on 3D printers. Okay, there is more vehicles that already have been made by 3D printing, but my project has some differences from these other ones. Most of the other projects have been made differently because they have been using a standard chassis from another vehicle, and they have printed just the body over them. It's not in all the cases, but most of them are like that. In my project, I want that most of the vehicle, if not all of the vehicle, is printed on a 3D printer. Okay, except there is some parts like the battery or the motor or the electronics that cannot be 3D printed right now. Most of these vehicles have been printed on special industrial printers, which are sometimes huge like this one, or just made especially for the project. In my case, I want to use standard hobby printers like this one. The one I own, it has a built-in bed of just 200 millimeters by 200 millimeters, something like that. So it's a hobby printer that you can find on many places. And another big difference is that I want this project to be open source. So I'm gonna put all the files online so everybody can download it and print one vehicle exactly the same by themselves. As well, I will give access to the 3D design so people as well can modify the design if they want to. And how is the vehicle? Okay, with hobby printers and available materials, the final parts that you can take out of the printer are not usually very strong. So I have been working a lot in the design in order to be able to finalize with a strong product at the end. Okay, so I have chosen a very strong shape form, which is the X shape. Okay, and I have been inspired by many other vehicles made in the past that I like it for this, and mainly I have been influenced by one design which is called Velopeta, the one you can see in the pictures, made by a New Zealand company called Velectric. And with inspiration from what you have seen, I have come out with this design. This is I call it the jelly bean because its shape just reminds me of those famous sweets that looks like a bean. It's a one-seater vehicle with 3 wheels. Okay, all the wheels have suspension, so I hope it's gonna be nice to ride it. As well, it's got some cargo area in the back to transport your shopping and your things. And I have thought as well to install a pedaling system, just running a generator in order to charge the battery while you are driving. And in order you can have an idea how these big parts like the body or the door can be printed on a small 3D printer, it's just done by just doing it on small pieces. Here is the door that it's been cutted on different small pieces that will be just glued together afterwards. Okay, and here is the body that you can see. There's a lot of pieces. Actually, it's about 200 different small parts to be printed, which is quite a lot of work. Hope that you like this project, and if you want to know more about it and how advanced, please subscribe to my channel, and I will be adding links and information to where to download all the parts and get all the information, and where you can find all the other components that you may need for this project. Hope you like this video, and just please continue watching about this project. Bye bye.